Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the battery section. Now let's enter visual settings and then this first option, battery display styles. And as you can see here, we've got three different options which we can use. So the icon only, where we've got only the indicator percentage only, so we do not have to have the indicator to see the percentage, which is quite a cool option. And icon and percentage, so as you can see, we've got both of them applied. It's of course up to you which option you prefer. I think I'd like the percentage only, but as I said, up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.